Hi guys, this is Topper Chef. How are y'all doing? I have seen that my videos are being liked by a lot of people, so I encourage everybody to look at my videos, like, subscribe to my channel. I want to give you some tips on cooking everything fast and easily. So this today, when you go to a restaurant, especially to eat wings or something like that, you get the small wings topped with something, some dressing on top of it. So today's video is 3 types of chicken wings, which I like to cook for myself and so I can eat later on. So this one especially is just the tandoori wings, which is Tandoori Masala. Okay, so we had done a video before for tandoori legs. This is similar kind of marinade which I'm going to use, and as usual I like the Sham Tandoori Masala because it has everything. It has everything on it. Means I don't have to put cayenne pepper and cumin powder and coriander powder, all this stuff. It's everything's in this. So for this, we're going to make about 10 wings with this. So I'm going to put about half of that. And then our onion powder and a garlic powder and a zest of a lime juice and the zest of the lime. Okay, so we have all the dry ingredients. Now we're going to put the wet ingredients. Like I said, I don't like to take ginger, garlic paste or onion paste because all that just drips out from the marinade and it doesn't feel good. So this dry spices, they actually coat the skin and they almost remain on the wings or any of your chicken or anything which is needed. So now you can see why I like the zest of a lemon. It is so tasty to just feel that lemony thing, zest, and the rind of the lemon just makes that really good. Okay, so you can see the lime is nice. We've used all the part of the lime as a zest and the rind is used. Now I'm going to add my lemon juice to this, or you can add it to the wings also directly, that's okay. And to this we add our olive oil, a little bit of olive oil. Like I said, we want it to coat, so we don't want it very runny. Mix it well. This is the consistency it's got to be. And now we throw everything in this so it will coat very well in this, my chicken wings. Now in this Sham Masala I have everything, salt and pepper and everything, so I'm not going to add any salt. And just mix it well and let it sit overnight, and then we're going to barbecue these wings tomorrow. Hi, Topper Chef back again. This is the continuation of the video for our tandoori marinated chicken wings. Now, as I have marinated this, I've marinated you for 24 hours, and we're gonna just use this chicken. I've got it out for now about an hour or so, and get it to room temperature. Don't forget to ever get your chicken to room temperature, because then a cold chicken will go on hot, cold, and then afterwards the temperatures get deferred, and then it becomes a big problem smoking it. So always get it to room temperature, and so you can always smoke it from that temperature on instead of getting it cold. Okay, so now we have a chicken which is at room temperature. What I'm gonna do is, as a usual tandoori chicken or the Indian chicken marinade which you've seen in the previous video, I'm gonna add yogurt to it. The reason I add yogurt is because it actually, all the spices, they stay well on this stuff. So I'm still gonna add a little yogurt and also some onion powder to give it a different flavoring. So everything crushes up on the top. Oops, there you go. A little onion powder, that's 1 tablespoon. A little garlic powder. Okay, and then just mix it a bit. And to this, I'm going to add my chicken. And the mustard oil, which is a good thing for tandoori chicken. It gives out a good flavor on it. That's a great little mustard oil. And I'm gonna mix this with my hand, rub the yogurt and everything into it well. And again, let it sit for half an hour. My coal is already burning, and that will take about half an hour to 1 hour for it to get ready. In the meantime, just let it sit here for half an hour with this yogurt and mustard oil. Hi, back again, Topper Chef. And you know what this is, right? We marinated this tandoori wings, and we have kept this for 2 days, for 1 day, since yesterday was very hot and we couldn't go outside and skewer them or take care of them. So now I added the yogurt, let it set for half an hour, and I'm gonna start putting them on the skewers. Okay, so everybody asks me, why do I use the skewers? And these skewers are flat and good, and this I can also put seekh kebab on them, just like the Turkish kebab, doner kebabs, or any of these kebabs which I make with beef, which you're gonna see in further videos. And please, you have to subscribe to my video channel, and also like me on Pinterest, where all my recipes are also located. Okay, so now look at the coal. Okay, so today we are doing the tandoori wings, and the coal is nice. And yesterday we had the satay wings, they were amazing. So we're gonna do this tandoori wings. The coal is nice and hot, and I'm gonna put them on the skewer right there. This is my tandoori wings. Remember, I put the yogurt on it, and the topping is with onion powder and garlic, and they're gonna be 15 minutes ready. 15 minutes, they're gonna be really nice and ready. Okay, Topper Chef back again. Now we have our tandoori wings, and I'm just gonna, it's been 5 minutes, and I'm gonna turn this here. Okay, this is now we finally barbecued everything, and here's our tandoori chicken wings. Oh my god, they're so yummy and they look good and divine. I hope y'all had fun watching my recipe for the tandoori chicken, and do try it, and definitely watch my other recipes on the YouTube channel Topper Chef.